How to redeem a gift card on Just Eat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to claim the gift card on Just Eat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So as you guys know, Just Eat is an online platform, food delivery platform. If you want to redeem a gift card on your Just Eat account, first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser, search for Just Eat, and then make sure to log into your account here. And once you're logged in, this will be your profile page. And on your home page, at the top right corner, you'll see the three lines or the hamburger menu. So just tap on it, and from here you have an option to redeem a gift card. So just simply click on it, and here you'll just have to enter the code of your gift card. And if the code is valid, you can just click on redeem code and the balance will be added to your gift card, which you can then use to purchase your food. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.